Hi guys, welcome back to Do It with Diana. So today we are going to go ahead and be unboxing October's BoxyCharm. I am very excited for this theme. I saw it on Instagram when they went ahead and posted up the sneak peeks, and it does look like the theme for this month is Boxy After Dark. And I thought it was going to be more Halloween-y type makeup, and I actually got more like regular makeup. So I'm pretty excited to go ahead and try this out. As you guys can go ahead and see, I already went ahead and did my face, my highlight, sort of contour. I didn't touch my brows or my eyes because that's mostly what I did go ahead and get in the box. The version that I got is version 18, as you guys can see here. And then it does come with 5 products. So the first product that I'm actually going to start with is with the Dose of Colors Snow Angels, and it is an eyeshadow palette. And the retail price for this is actually $32. There was actually, I believe, I want to say 3, but I'm pretty sure there was like 5 different eyeshadow palettes. So this is the one that we got. I got the blue one, which is Snow Angels. I'm not really a fan of these 2 colors right here, this one and this one, just because I'm not into like really bright colors that much. I like more of a neutral or a smoky eye. So we're just gonna go ahead and play with this and see the eye look that I create. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in fast mode. Is it fast mode? Speedy mode? Time lapse? I don't know. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in fast mode so that you guys can go ahead and see the look that I am creating. And I do have my handy dandy mirror that you guys see here all the time. And then I'll go ahead and continue talking about the rest of the products. You guys can see I did go ahead and create kind of this smoky look with the 2 colors that I have right here. So this one is Berry Cold and this one is Cashmere. I did try to go in with these darker colors. It really wasn't working out, so I just kind of left it and added more of this color. I do like this palette just because of the pigmentation. A little bit does go a long way. The only thing I don't like about it is that it flakes a lot. So as you guys can see, I'm going to show you right here. If you go like this to it, a lot of it does go ahead and fall out. But it is a really nice color and I really love it. I might give this to one of my friends just because these 2 go better with her skin tone than with my skin tone. I'm not really into bright colors, as I said in the beginning. And like I said, this does go ahead and retail for $32, and it is in the shade Snow Angels, or in the packaging called Snow Angels. So next I am going to go ahead and use the Hank and Henry Slick It with Mascara Duo, and this does retail for $19, and it is a full-size product. So as you can see, it is sealed. I love sealed products just because I know that no one else has used them or touched them. So yeah, let me go ahead and see. So as you can see, this is the packaging. The packaging is really, really cute. Okay, so ooh, it smells good. I don't know about you guys, but I love to smell mascaras. Maybe it's just me, but I really love the smell of like a good mascara. So let me see. Okay, so I'm assuming this one is for your upper lash line and this is for your lower lash line. I really like, ooh, this is really cute. I love this actually. Okay, so it does say this is a vegan mascara and it's waterproof and it doesn't flake or transfer. So I'll find out tonight when I'm trying to take this off. The Duo Wand Applicator is designed to work out with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other thin is designed easily to add mascara to your lower lashes. Oh, okay, so I like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this here because my bangs are bothering me a little bit. So let's go ahead and use this. Let me see my handy dandy brush that you see right here, and excuse all the reflection that you see in the brush. Actually, I'm just gonna use it like this. Okay, so, and I already curled my lashes. I don't know if you guys know this, but I love to curl my lashes with my spoon. so I don't know what it is, but with a spoon I feel like I get more of a curve in my lashes than I do with like an eyelash curler. Plus I've just seen too many videos of people like cutting their lashes with the eyelash curler, so it just terrifies me and it freaks me out and I can't do it. So I'd rather use a spoon and be able to control it by myself. Ooh. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is the difference. This is the one with the mascara, and then this is the one without it. Ooh, I really like, it's really lifting my lashes. Oh wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the bottom one. So let me seal this up. And I really like this thing. It's so cute and tiny. Okay, so let me, oh. Ah. Ooh, and I think this one is actually useful for the little corners of eyelashes. For me, I can never get the little corners, but I feel like with this tiny little brush, I can. Ooh, okay, so this is the difference. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I love this product. Okay, and this, I think the color is called Clout. I'm not exactly sure. It looks kind of black to me, but it says Slick With It Mascara Duo, and then it just says Clout. So let me go ahead and do the other one, and I will be right back with the rest of the products. Okay, so I went ahead and finished with the lashes, and this makes my lashes look so long. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I? Okay, I thought I smudged it when I closed my eye. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so this is, like I said, the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara, and it is the duo one. I really love the tiny little brush more than I like the big brush, and we'll see how this comes off when I go to sleep, because usually I'll end up looking like a raccoon, or I will end up looking like flakes, and I'll find them and then they'll get in my eye and then my eye will start to burn and I'm like, ah, my eye. But okay, so we'll see, because this does say it doesn't flake or transfer, so I'll find out. And then next, what I have on here just to finish the eye look, it's the iconic, or actually, oops, this is the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. So when I was in middle school, I actually loved black liner because I thought I looked really cool. I didn't. I looked ridiculous, and I don't know why my mom didn't stop me from wearing it, but I would put it on my lower lash line and on my upper lash line, which I don't even use this like pencil liner on my waterline anymore. I just use a liquid eyeliner, but on top to create a wing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try and use this on my lower lash line, and it's really gonna go ahead and take me back to middle school. And this does actually retail for $7, and it says line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. And it's Kohl, like K-O-H-L, not Kohl like what Santa gives you when you're bad. So yeah, it says the creamy formula glides and smooths and adds drama to a desired look, and it does go really, really well. So let's go ahead and try this out. And usually I'm not scared to put things in my eye. Like, I'm scared when people do it for me, but if I can do it, I actually don't mind it. Okay, and as you guys can see, I'm blinking a lot. Oh my gosh, I feel like, oh, I feel so weird putting a liner in my lower lash line. Just because, like I said, the last time that I did this was in middle school, when I thought I looked so cool. I thought I was the coolest kid around that wore liner on the under part of the eye and on the, I don't know. And then at the end of the day, I got home and all of it would be smudged like right here. And I'm like, wow, no one told me that I looked ridiculous and that my liner was smudged. And I'm putting a little bit on top. But the color is really coming out really well, as you guys can see here. Okay, so the color came out just right. Ooh. It does add some drama to the look. I don't know. I kind of don't like it just because I feel like I'm in middle school again and don't know anything. Okay, well, that's as good as it gets. So yeah, and then I have 2 more products. So the second to the last product is the MELLOW Tinted Brow Gel. I didn't do anything to my brows, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use this, see how it goes. Should probably use a little, oh, okay, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get a spoolie and kind of like fill them in and then just use it because this is in a very light shade. I did kind of fill in my brows, as you guys can see, off camera, but this is the MELLOW Tinted Brow Gel. I did go ahead and mention it retails $16, and it says achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with the MELLOW's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator, and allows you to finish and maintain perfectly groomed brows with no mess. Okay, and then it says perfect to use over powder or pencil. So okay, good thing I did that. So as you guys can see, the color is a little bit lighter brown. Oh, actually it looks really nice. It gives like a flaky, not a flaky, but like a bushy brow look, which I'm starting to notice here. So I don't know if you guys have heard this, but it says that brows are sisters, not twins. I don't know. It always comes out like this, where it comes out even, and then I'm like, oh wait, what if I mess it up? Or what if they look too perfect? Because when I go and get my eyebrows done, which I haven't in a little while, that's why they're a little bit extra bushy, I just have them do what they do. The lady that I go to usually knows what, like, how I like them. So yeah, so this is the eyebrows. Ooh, I'm actually kind of digging this look. I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. Maybe I need better lighting so that you guys can see this, but I'll go ahead and, ooh, I'm loving this. Okay, so lastly, the last product on here is the Iconic Linen Prep Set Glow, and it says Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave skin with iconic glow, and stunning multi-use spray. It can be used to prep skin before applying. I didn't use it to prep my skin. I actually used the It Cosmetics primer. Did I? It was either that one or the Milani tinted one, but I didn't use this to prep my face. And then it says extracts of cucumber, chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E, and it's 100% vegan, which I've noticed that all the products on here are actually vegan, so that's pretty good. And it retails for $29, and I love it because it like sparkles. Ooh, and if you guys don't like this kind of sparkle, then I wouldn't suggest using it, but I love the way it sparkles. So this is the mist. Ooh, you can see all, ooh, and all the sparklies fell on my pants. So now I have sparkly pants. But yeah, so let me go ahead and spray this on. Ooh, okay, so now I feel extra sparkly and rainbowy and sparkly. So let me go ahead and see on here. Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me go ahead and see if I can get some better lighting so that I can show you. So as you guys can see, this is the look, and I'm really digging, actually, I don't know, I'm gonna go back to my middle school ways and start using this liner on the lower lash line because I'm really kind of digging it. I don't know. Someone stop me. Put it down in the comments if you don't want me to start using this, because I'm gonna look ridiculous at school or at work or wherever, and I'm just gonna look ridiculous. But yeah, so that's pretty much, that's it actually. That's actually it, all the products for BoxyCharm October unboxing, Boxy After Dark, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the count for this again. I went ahead and did the count for all the products that were in the box. So the total price for this month's box is actually $103, which is relatively low compared to all the other boxes, but I really love the products that were included. It was a lot of eye products, which I'm digging because I actually did need a new mascara. As you guys can see, this is my little makeup station, which I need to clean out and expand, because I keep getting so many things, and then I'm like, I'm like, I don't have enough, but then I'll try to give them away, but then I'm like, no, I don't want to give them away to anyone, I just want to keep them, and then I don't use them, and then I'm like, well, I should have given it away. So, but I hope you guys really like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Feel free to share it with all your friends, or with none of your friends, or with your little 3 friends. Let's see if you guys get that joke. But with your little 3 friends, or yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and hit that little notification bell. And if you guys do hit that notification bell, please leave a comment down below saying that you went ahead and turned that on so that I can go ahead and give you guys a shout out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great rest of October. And hopefully I will be uploading the September BoxyCharm or BoxyLux video after this one, which I know it's going to be so confusing. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and my next video and all the videos that I have planned for you guys. So thank you so much. Bye.